Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll explain why you should know about a skid steer adapter for your loader.
Same implement, same function, but they're not both compatible with the same loader carrier. The bucket on the left is compatible with a John Deere 300 series loader. The bucket on the right is compatible with a skid steer loader. But you can work with both of them using a John Deere compact utility tractor and a 100, 200, or 300E loader by adding this Frontier SA20F skid steer adapter. It converts the John Deere loader carrier to a skid steer compatible design. So you can use loader attachments compatible with that John Deere loader and those skid steer loader attachments you may already own. The adapter is easy to attach. Just pick it up with the loader carrier, insert and close two locking pins, and you're all set. Then just pick up the skid steer compatible implement, engage the two locking levers on the adapter, and you're ready to work. Frontier has nearly 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer. The place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, think Frontier and your John Deere dealer.